Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana Live classes. Today I am going to talk or discuss this 10th class topic is unit 4A, that is Rendezvous with Ray. Okay, our fourth unit is very important. Films and theaters. This is first reading A is a article. Okay, it was published in the front line, and now in this they had given one important question for us. It is very important question. What is that? In the lesson Rendezvous with Ray, Roberts took 9 years to meet Ray in person after joining at St. Xavier's College. So as soon as he come to India, this Gaston Roberts, actually why did he come to India? He wanted to do some service because he was impressed by this Bengali films of Satyajit Ray. So that's why here he wanted to come and he wanted to join, means here he wanted to do some help for this Satyajit Ray in the film field. But as soon as he come, he did not meet as a common man, and he didn't go, and that friendship was not closed. When he come to India, first of all, he joined in a St. Xavier's Institute, and he had learnt related to the films, whatever the topics will be there that he had learnt. And for that he had taken 9 years time. So after 9 years, he met with this Satyajit Ray, and after that their friendship became very strong. That friendship lasted for 22 years till the death of Satyajit Ray in the year 1922. So see here, that friendship was very great, and it was a very what we can call the friendship was cemented between these two persons. Cemented means here strong. It became very strong. Okay. So here now write an imaginary interview. Imagine as a news reporter. Imagine that you are the news reporter and you have to write the imaginary interview, and you can follow the ideas. Some hints also given for us. Friendship of Roberts and Satyajit Ray. How the friendship was between this, how the friendship developed between this Gaston Roberts and Satyajit Ray, and regular activities of Roberts and Ray. What they used to do regularly. Every Sunday, 9 o'clock, he used to go to this Lefroy Road, and where this Satyajit Ray's house was, residence was, there 9 o'clock every Sunday, it was a meeting used to be there for them. Next, areas Roberts and Ray worked together. So in which areas they both worked together. So that all the points we have to keep in our mind, and future plans and etc. This all the things we have to discuss. So here this is an imaginary interview. So for that I am giving some assessment indicators for you. So basically every time we are discussing in the classes that whenever we write interview, first of all we have to give the introduction of the great person. Suppose we are taking the interview of this a great person. Who is this? Imaginary interview with Roberts, right? Yes, Roberts only. Fine. So what we are going to write about this Gaston Roberts? So first of all we have to give the introduction of this Gaston Roberts. If you know any extra information about this man, first in introduction, introduction, that heading should not be kept. Simply we can write the introduction like the great film worker, or simply here the French Canadian priest who came to India in search of a quest of thirst of his knowledge, who wanted to work with Satyajit Ray, who was impressed by this Apu trilogy. In this way we have to give the introduction. Is it clear, ma? What he had done, he came to India, he converted himself to this Bengali culture. Okay, that so many points he told, he had discussed with us, he shared with us in the lesson, right? So some introduction part we have to write in that way. Is it clear? So now the indicators for that: proper introduction and beginning. That is most important. Like a formal in this introduction should be there. The interview script should be apt to the context, related to the given question. Okay, that related questions we have to write. Interview means here questioning and answering, that's it. But sometimes questioning and answering and answering and questioning also possible. Means here sometimes not only the reporter asks the questions, sometimes the interviewer also, means here the person who is giving the interview, that person also can pose the questions. Okay, now using discourse markers and language apt to the context. So given topic, whatever the given topic is there for us, apt to the context, means here the markers and the language should be related to the given topic. It is mostly appropriate to the given context. And also using discourse markers, that we have to follow the discourse markers like this all the things, indicators and everything. Questions in the interview script relevant to the context. This is most important point. Questions in the interview script relevant to the question. Sometimes irrelevant questions also can be asked, but it is offensive. Okay, irrelevant questions are not at all supposed to ask in the interview. Only related, what is the given topic, what is the question you are going to ask. For that you have to search for the answer, you have to write the answer related to that. So that's why here the interview script relevant to the context and responses relevant to the questions. Whatever the question posed by this reporter, the same answer related to that context, related to that dialogue, the same relevant answer should be given by the person. Next, appropriate closing and ending to the interview. So always ending should be with some positive attitudes, positive statements, positive suggestions. Okay. Next, grammatically tense aspect agreement PNG features. So this all the grammatical points we have to follow. What is that? First, tense formation, what tense you are using, that should be applicable to that should be keep in your mind. Aspects of that, and agreement, subject verb agreement, PNG, person, number and genders, all these features we have to keep in our mind. And conventions of writing, full stops, commas, that all the things. Okay, coherence, use of connectives and pronouns. So conjunctions we have to use, proper usage of conjunctions, proper usage of pronouns. Okay ma. So all these things we have to keep in our mind while writing the interview. Okay, so you are going to start writing the interview between the reporter. Imagine that you are the interviewer, you are the reporter from a newspaper or from some news channel also we can take it. Is it clear ma? So this is about a short description about how to write the interview. This all the things we are discussed. Okay, we will meet again in another session. Thank you. Bye bye.